I think we have at the shop.
Or Daddy unpacked them. And they're not with us.
Okay, this is like May 1st, 2021,
It's not May 1st, is it? April 30th.
April 30th. Little jam session, camping, riding. We're gonna go fishing tomorrow.
What are you doing?
It's bad.
What do you mean? Throw the whole
Oh,
stick. Cammy,
man.
throw the whole stick in and get a new stick.
Oh,
There you go. You're
the
fueling
marshmallow man.
You're fueling the fire.
Everybody having fun tonight?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I was like,
Man.
nah.
Look who's missing a tooth.
What are you drinking there, Missy?
That's how you have to drink when you're missing your front teeth. Let's see the teeth. Let's see them.
Busy.
Let's see the teeth. Let's see the teeth.
Uncle
Let's see them. Where's the teeth? Arr.
Yes, the perfect spot.
Cameron, careful by the fire.
Yeah.
JJ, thank you for the fire. Still on the firewood?
I think it's fine. Janitor's beat us to it.
Actually, that wood burned longer than I thought it would.
Yeah.